Your child is a diabetic, now what? Hello friend. What is diabetes? Diabetes mellitus is a chronic medical condition that causes problems with the body's ability to change food, especially sugars, carbohydrates, into fuel for the body. High blood glucose from not properly treating the diabetes can damage the heart, blood vessels, kidneys, eyes and nervous system over many years. Diabetes increases your child's risk of developing conditions such as narrowed blood vessels, high blood pressure, heart disease and stroke later in life. Nerve damage. Excess sugar can injure the walls of the tiny blood vessels that nourish your child's nerves. This can cause tingling, numbness, burning or pain. But before you continue, friend, answer my question. Do you want to know more about a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition and body care? Then be sure to watch other videos on our channel, which contain a lot of useful information that you didn't know. New videos appear every day. Don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Also in the description under the video, you will find the best products for beauty and health. Here is where you will discover secrets that will change your life. Now we continue further. After months of watching and helping your child deal with symptoms that range from excessive hunger to weight loss and slow healing cuts, you may not be that surprised to learn that diabetes is the reason for all of their discomfort. However, as the truth of this diagnosis sets in, you'll have to help your child manage this condition. Focus on the information below so you can be a good steward of your diabetic child. Learn more about diabetes. While your family doctor has likely explained the disease to both you and your child, it's vital that you educate yourself as much as you can about the disease. Read about how glucose works in the cells, for instance. Research the latest treatments. Find out which foods are high on the glycemic index and could send your child's blood sugar racing. The more research you do, the better you'll be able to answer questions for your child, and the more effective you can be as an advocate for your child's health. Plan for emergencies. You might be just starting to adjust to life with your child's condition, but as soon as you're able, it's smart to plan for emergency situations. Don't wait until a hurricane or snowstorm arrives to wonder what you'll do about their insulin needs, for example. You should do your best to have additional insulin on hand and stock your home with enough supplies for a few days. That way, if an emergency happens, you can cope with the situation at hand without being terrified about how you'll deal with your child's diabetes. Notify coaches and club leaders. You probably already expect to talk with someone at your child's school, particularly the school nurse, about their new diagnosis. That makes sense, as your child is there for hours throughout the day, and the nurse and teachers can monitor your child's condition and take appropriate action if there's a problem. However, it is just as important to notify club leaders and coaches about your child's diabetes, even if they're only engaging in the activity for an hour here or there. Every adult that comes into contact with your child throughout the day should be aware that diabetes is something your child is coping with. Not only that, but you need to be sure that coaches and club leaders know how to handle a hypoglycemic or hyperglycemic situation until more trained personnel can be on the scene. When you're able to start doing some of the suggestions here, you will assist your diabetic child in managing their new disease. Now answer the question, do you want to finally look and feel like you deserve? Lighter, prettier, more self-confident, and excited about every day? In short, you want to enjoy your life and feel confident and happy about the way you look. Yes, your search is finally over. Our best health and beauty products will help you. See the best products in the description. You must act now. I hope this video was helpful to you. And it will help to cope with your problem. What do you think? Write in the comments. Do you like the video? Then like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Watch other videos on our channel.